Hi, today I want to share one of my favourite parts of Tokyo with you. I'm going to Nakano and I want to get some sketching done in the tiny little alleyways near the station, but unfortunately things don't quite go to plan. First stop, sushi. I love sushi and I love sushi trains. Next up is some shopping at Nakano Broadway. This is an amazing shopping centre with a very eclectic range of shops. It's mainly anime and manga type things, which I'm not really into, but I do find some really interesting stuff every time I come here. I'm ready to start sketching, but as I walk around the tiny streets, I realise that one thing I hadn't considered, there's nowhere to sit and sketch. I guess I could stand up and sketch, but I'm not really good at that kind of thing. And it's been raining, so everything's wet. You'd think there'd be somewhere in this town for a poor little sketcher girl to park her butt, but no, doesn't seem that way. This just isn't working for me. I'm quitting and going to karaoke. Okay, enough of the singing. I need to eat and I need to find somewhere to sketch. Everywhere looks so good, it's hard to decide on a place to eat. Tempura. Tempura is definitely the right decision. I haven't even managed one sketch today, so I'm admitting defeat and going home. And can you believe it, when I'd just given up completely, I found an awesome place to sketch just outside the station. I've got a gouache background that I'd prepped earlier in dark blue, perfect for a night scene. And to really get the pop of the lights, I'm using color crayons over the top of it. Yay, I got a sketch done and I'm pretty happy with it. And on top of that, I got to have some sushi, some tempura and some karaoke. It ended up being a perfect day.